All right, so here's a real quick one here for Premier Urgent Care. So I already sent the wall cabinets. There's really no need to walk through that, and regular channel letters. So the cabinets, you guys can do those probably literally with your eyes closed. So, but this is just mostly for the power supplies, and I'm just explaining kind of how I laid it out in the LED concern. So for the cabinets, I went ahead and just sent over a single banger for each cabinet. And then for the channel letters, there's going to be one set we make, and there's going to be another set coming from, which was originally Palm Springs, and now it's coming from India, whatever. So on that one, I went ahead and sent a single banger and a single banger. So two wall cabinets, two sets of channel letters, a single banger each. That's four. But I realized that the cabinets and the letters will be near each other. And so sometimes install likes to combine them. So you can talk to install whether or not they want to do a double banger at each location and combine one power supply for the cabinet and then one power supply for the set of letters. But that being said, that it does make UL a little tricky because you're going to have to then do one of like 25 with everything, include the cabinet into this. So it might be separate, easier to do all separate, each set getting their own thing. But that brings up the one that we're bringing over from Palm Springs. So that was originally an RNS set. So we know that from past experience with like American Society of Reproductive and stuff, that old RNS LEDs don't play well with the new hotness of the GE, both with color and, so we're going to have white LEDs right next to our white, everything's new on the same building. So it could be bad news bears. So that being said, even though we're doing 4 power vaults, if you're just bringing over their stuff, it's going to be 12 volts, going to have its own. So you might not need that. But we also might consider, though, a heads up that we might have to re-LED that set if we haven't done that in any time. Like if we haven't redone ours when we moved it from Palm Springs to Indio, if it hasn't been re-LED'd, we might want to consider that. That's just a heads up for Jonathan or Johnny if you're seeing this. So anyway, so that's why there's so many power vaults. Of course, route everything. We can use it later, that kind of stuff. But just go ahead and confirm with install how many bangers they want to use and or what's easiest for UL, whether you just keep the cabinets and letters separate from each other. So that's it. Good luck.